The Live Light Manifesto. For all those who are called to freedom and use freedom to serve others in love. I was created to walk with God in the garden in the cool of the day. Sin came into the world, and I bore the consequences. Jesus came and reversed the curse, and took my place and invited me to take his yoke that is easy and his burden that is light. I live light. I live out of my God-created identity. Living light with his light burden is the rhythm I work from in the data of every day. I'm a living light, I live light. I don't hold it as an idea in my head or a sentiment in my heart, but I work out its implications in every detail of my life. I don't have time to be busy. I don't have time to worry. I don't have time to waste. I even redeem the time I feel I've already wasted. My life matters to everyone in my everyday world. I follow his path and pattern. I do everything as unto the Lord. I take my everyday life, my eating, sleeping, going to work, and walking around life, and lay it before him as an offering. I take captive every thought that sets itself up against the knowledge of God. I choose to live light. I choose to live loved, knowing that nothing can separate me from his love. I choose to live intentional, the way Jesus only said and did what came from the Father. I choose to live generous, the way God lives towards everyone. I choose to live happy, following the unforced rhythms of grace. I choose to live today, knowing that faithfulness to God is multiplication. I live loved radically. I live intentional fearlessly. I live generous joyfully. I live happy naturally. I live today mindfully. It's amazing what happens when I align my whole heart, my emotions, my intellect, and my action with the Father's heart. Doing right is better than simply knowing right. Loving right matters the most. Growth, gratitude, and generosity are choices I make today. With gratitude growing my generosity, and soul friends being my rudder and my engine, and peace ruling my heart, I am the light in my everyday world. I honor all people. I live unoffendable. The darker my night, the brighter my light.